Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review Smaak Fuse wireless charging dash mount. So let's get into it. Smaak Fuse wireless charging dash mount is a compact wireless charging car mount for your iPhone, Samsung or any QI certified wireless charger enabled mobile device. Fuse delivers 5 watt, 7.5 watts or 10 watts charging power to rapidly charge your mobile device in the car. It has 44 mm to 90 mm spread range, ensuring it will hold almost any size smartphone, and has a side and bottom brackets to ensure that your device is held securely while driving. It is designed with a sticky suction cup and locking clamp to ensure it sticks and holds to almost any surface. There is a ball joint attached to the mount which allows for 360-degree rotation, thus allowing you multiple angles. It has a built-in LED charge indicator that shows charge status of your mobile device. It is now fully installed in my car, as you can see. Final words, I've used the dash mount for a few days, and in the whole time the dash mount was firm, the phone was secure, and wireless charging makes life very easy without having to pull or connect any cables from the phone. Just place it in and away you go. If you drive a lot and need your phone mounted and charging enabled, look no further. I will definitely recommend Smaak Fuse wireless charging dash mount. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.